stars would hide. A forest stood so tall, so proud, its leaves a whisper, its song aloud. The sunlight danced on emerald trees, birds composed soft symphonies, deer would drink from crystal streams, while children dreamt their forest dreams. But slowly came the hum of pain, the smoke, the fire, the choking rain. Machines arrived with growling might and turned the day to endless night. Trees once strong began to fall, their echoes mourned through nature's hall. The air grew thick, the soil turned bare, the forest gasped, does no one care? The owls were gone, the streams ran dry, no laughter left beneath the sky. The wind still whispered through the ash of what was lost in mankind's clash. Then from the ruins one seed remained, tiny, trembling, yet unchained. A child knelt down with gentle hand and whispered hope into the land. Grow again, my forest friend, your story's not at its end. We'll clean your streams, we'll heal your ground, your heartbeat still can yet be found. The clouds above began to weep, their silver tears the soil did keep, and through the dark the roots awoke, new life breathed through the ash and smoke.